here it is on a beautiful Tuesday. And after Argentina lost the World Cup to the Krauts, the Germans, shame on them, and then of course the United States didn't do any better. But here's a rainstorm, thunderstorm. Sal, either get in the picture or get out of the picture. Could you move? I know you have a noble profile, but I'm trying to take a picture. Oh, look at the rain. It hasn't rained here. Here's rain, and here's where it comes down, and then it goes down through the gutter, and out into the hose thing. Well, over there, which is probably full, and I do need gutters. Note, Sal, can we make a note? We need gutters. Because all we need is the gutter with the roll-around hose, and we won't have this problem. Because Sal has spent many times brooming all the water because it comes up and it fills up into the electrical. Hi, Sal. And it comes up here, goes into here. Hi, Gabby. Yeah, it's lightning, thunder. And so I don't think we're going to have I hope we don't have the downpour. Where's the broom? Where is the broom? Right there. We do need the broom. No. We need the push broom. So, anyways, here's a thunderstorm. Oh yeah, if I hold it, you can see the clouds.
I get it. I'm not afraid.
You're not afraid of the rain. You just can't swim. He lives in Arizona and he can't swim. So here I am out here, and there's the pool. It's letting up already. That was cheesy, but guess what? It's coming. That was just the beginning, because I can see the wind and the palm trees swaying over there. Yep. And here comes Sal.
It's gone.
Here comes Sal. I love the rain.
Second part.
And here's Lee. I hate the rain, but Sal gets to mop the rain.
I love the rain.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah. Anyways, I probably look stupid because my bathing suit. Well, anyways, my bathing suit. I don't have any top on my bathing suit. So let's go back to this way. It's a lot easier. And any wind? Where's the lightning? Oh, I got Gabby by my feet because she doesn't like the thunder. Let's see. Well, there's some over the McDowell's. Oh, there's the thunderhead. Here we go. There's the thunderhead over there. So that's what's coming this way. Something wicked this way comes. Remember that? Good Stephen King book. And we got another big one here. So you figure, oh, and there's my hummingbirds are trying to nest in the tree. Again, I'm going around again. See them? Yep, I see them. You see them? The hummingbirds are, they're trying. They're trying. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? I always get my neighbor's basketball court involved in every picture. There's Sal. And that's the thunderstorm and the rain. Well, Shadow doesn't seem to mind it. I can't give him a bath, but there he is walking in the rain. Yeah, there's a hummingbird. See him? Well, I can see him because I know where they go. But, yeah, they're up there. They're flying, and they're trying to roost up there. The hummingbirds are. If I hold it very still, there he is. You can see him up here, up at the top. See the hummingbirds? Yeah. There he is, sitting in the middle of a thunderstorm. One of my hummingbirds. Is that way cool? I have my iPhone, so I can't get any closer. And so that's the extent I'm watching the hummingbird. He's at the top of the mimosa trying to, you know, write it out. You're not having too much luck. And it continues to get rained on here in Arizona. And, geez, no lightning. I wish I could get lightning. Anyways, again, it's nice to have rain. I'm not going to say either. So we'll turn her around. I was hoping to get some kind of lightning strike so that the video would be more dramatic, but it seems, no. So, anyways, my yard. And rain. Hello, Lobo. Hello, Lobo. Yeah, you're getting wet whether you like it or not, huh? And if you notice over here, clear blue sky. Yep, clear blue sky over here. Clear blue sky. And then thunder, lightning. Well, no lightning yet. Rats. I wanted the lightning. That looks like there's my hummingbirds again. See him at the top there? He's trying to find a place to write it out, and poor little thing, he's bouncing all around. I hope, yeah, hope he doesn't lose the branch. Looking at the poor little hummingbirds. They're trying to write out the storm on the branches. There he is. That was a little bit of lightning. My hummers trying to take cover. Unfortunately, that storm over here isn't here yet. Again, blue sky over here. What is it? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in morning, sailor take warning. Palms. You know, it'll be real dramatic if I get struck by lightning doing this video. Well, that's it for now. Whee! Crazy. And see if I can get any more. Hope you enjoyed. Signing out.